Hey, I'm Alexandria from Finespun Cakes, and today I'm going to give you a rundown of my upcoming live Majolica Rose workshop. I'm so happy to have you here. For 3 days, starting on Tuesday at 3 p.m. EST, I'm going to take you through my process for creating this lovely rose using minimal colors and minimal tools, as is usual around here. The techniques I'll show you are easily translated into other flowers, and they are the basis for a lot of the techniques in my upcoming rose courses. There will be replays available for about a week after the course, and you can get the workshop for free as a bonus when you purchase any of the rose courses: Hellebore, David Austin, or Spiral Rose. Speaking of rose courses, you will get first access on Thursday morning EST to purchase, so make sure to keep an eye out for my emails every day to get all of your live links for the free workshop, as well as the email about the rose course, which is going to be so good. I've jam-packed it with so many good nuggets of technique and my best advice for making sugar flowers. The first thing you need to do for the workshop is have your gum paste ready, so make sure to whip up a batch before Tuesday. There will be a link in the email to download that, as well as in the description box below this video. Any homemade sturdy gum paste will work great. Day 1 will make a center for open flowers and one for closed flowers. I'll take you through a quick breakdown of color theory and we'll color our gum paste. Day 2 will start on the petals. I'll show you how to roll, shape, and texturize your petals with just a ball tool and a toothpick to create those velvety looking Majolica Rose petals. There's a different technique for both open and closed flowers, so I will go through both. Day 3, we will finish our flowers. I'll show you how to add really subtle dusting to your white or cream flowers to bring them to life. I'll add calyxes to the flowers as well as tape up the stems. In your first email today, you will see a calendar checklist so you know what's coming in the next day and you know what you need to complete every single day. You'll also see my tools and materials list, and don't forget about making that batch of gum paste. Lastly, if you haven't yet, join the Facebook group and do not forget to say hi, add your Instagram handle, and tell us a little something about yourself so we can get acquainted. If you don't have Facebook, you can do the exact same thing in the comments below this video. Please support and uplift one another. We are all learning together and doing our best. Get ready to join the live workshop on Tuesday. I will see you in class.